Turn to the back of your cardigan or sweater and begin at the bottom edge. Use the same hook you used for the garment. Chain 1 and work single crochet into the same stitch. Continue working single crochet across the edge until you reach the first corner. At the corner, choose the 2 corner stitches and work 2 single crochet stitches into each of them. Continue with single crochet across until you reach the second corner and repeat the same steps. Continue around the edge with single crochet and join the row with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 2. Work 1 front post double crochet, then 1 back post double crochet, alternating the stitches as you go. When you reach the corner, choose the 2 corner stitches again. Work 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch and 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. Then begin the ribbon pattern from that same stitch with a front post double crochet. Continue alternating front post and back post double crochet around the edge. Repeat the same steps at the second corner and join the row with a slip stitch into the second chain stitch at the beginning of the row. Chain 2. Work front post double crochet around each front post stitch from the previous row and back post double crochet around each back post stitch, keeping the stitches aligned so the ribbon looks clean and straight. At the corner, choose 3 corner stitches. Work 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 into the third stitch. Then continue from the same stitch with the front post double crochet and keep alternating the stitches around the edge. Repeat on the second corner. Join the row with a slip stitch, chain 2. Work front post double crochet around each front post stitch from the previous row and back post double crochet around each back post stitch. At the corner, choose 3 corner stitches. Work 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch, 2 into the middle, and 2 into the third stitch. And keep alternating the stitches around the edge. This is design block 4, small finishing details that can completely change the overall look of your garment.